a sneak peek at Challenger, high marks for safety, and November sales are three of the significant stories this week. Under the Pentastar. We begin with a sneak peek into the future as Chrysler unveiled for the first time photos of the 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT-8 production vehicle. The 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT-8 will arrive in showrooms next spring with an MSRP of $37,995. That includes a $675 destination charge. One thing's sure, plenty of muscle-hungry fans will be anxiously waiting. Dodge began taking early orders on Monday. Dodge made the unprecedented move to meet the overwhelming demand. Led by the Chrysler Sebring convertible, Chrysler brand sales made some good moves last month, up 9% over November 2006. The Sebring convertible chalked up 2,039 units versus 195 last year, while Chrysler Town & Country posted a 10% increase. Despite the strong showing, Chrysler overall sales for November were off 2% as compared to a year ago. The auto industry as a whole saw a 3% decline in sales. Chrysler Town & Country and Dodge Grand Caravan are seeing stars these days. 5 to be exact. Both minivans achieved top safety scores in government crash tests released Tuesday. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration gave the vehicles 5-star ratings on both front-end and side impact tests and 4 stars in rollover tests. Dodge Dakota and Dodge Ram also received top ratings. Check the complete list of vehicle ratings at www.safercar.gov. There's a new face in the top spot at Chrysler Financial. In his role as Executive Vice Chairman, Thomas F. Gilman will be responsible for providing strategic direction for all Chrysler Financial operations, finance, and risk management activities. Gilman previously served as Senior Vice President and CFO for Asbury Automotive Group and President, CEO Solutions LLC. Alabama says, "Thank you, Chrysler." On the heels of Hurricane Katrina in 2005, Chrysler and the UAW stepped forward with significant contributions to the massive relief effort. Recently, Alabama Governor Bob Riley paid tribute to the company's generosity and employee volunteer support.
A lot of the work that the people in South Alabama have done for the past year wouldn't have happened without the generous donation made by Daimler Chrysler Corporation and the United Auto Workers. As governor, I'd like to personally thank you on behalf of the people of Alabama.
And that's what's happening under the Pentastar. I'm Ed Garston.